Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a simple but useful JavaScript trick. We'll learn how to detect if a web page has been reloaded or refreshed. This can be helpful in many situations. For example, you might want to prevent duplicate form submissions or show a welcome message only on the first visit. Let's dive in. First, we'll discuss why this is important. Knowing if a page is refreshed allows you to tailor the user experience. We can use performance.navigation.type property to check. Then, we'll write the JavaScript code to achieve this. The performance.navigation.type property returns a value indicating how the user navigated to the page. If it's 0, it means the user navigated to the page normally, like typing in the URL. If it's 1, it means the page was reloaded or refreshed. If it's 2, it means the user navigated through history, // buttons. Let's see how we can implement this using JavaScript. First, we use an if statement to check the performance.navigation.type. If performance.navigation.type equals performance.navigation.type_reload, it means the page was reloaded. Performance.navigation.type_reload typically has a value of 1. You can then execute specific code only when a reload happens. For example, you can display a message using alert. If it's not a reload, we can handle other navigation types or simply do nothing. A common usage is to prevent duplicate form submissions. After a user submits a form, they might accidentally refresh the page. This could resubmit the form. We can use session storage to prevent this. Session storage stores data for only one session. Before submitting the form, we set a flag in session storage. When the page reloads, we check for this flag. If it exists, we prevent the form submission. Remember to clear the flag after the form is successfully processed to allow future submissions. This method ensures that the form is submitted only once per session. It's also beneficial for analytics. You can track how often users are refreshing specific pages. This data can help you identify issues with your website's user experience. If users are refreshing frequently, it might indicate they're not finding what they need. This encourages them to refresh, hoping for different content or a faster loading speed. Remember that this method relies on browser support for the Performance API. While most modern browsers support it, it's always good to consider older browsers. You can add a fallback mechanism for older browsers that don't support this API. Also, consider testing your code in different browsers to ensure cross-browser compatibility. Finally, consider the user experience. Avoid showing intrusive alerts or messages unnecessarily. Instead, provide subtle cues that indicate the page state. For example, you can update the page contents silently without interrupting the user. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing it with your friends. Your support helps us create more content like this. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. We appreciate your feedback.